In this video, we will scan a car dashboard to demonstrate how to use the EinScan Trak scanner mode. This mode is suitable for scanning small to medium-sized objects and confined areas, and it can be used without a tracker. Depending on your scanning needs, you can detach the ball frame and use the scanner directly for data acquisition. Let's see how it works. First, switch the device from track mode to scanner mode. In the software, you can start the scanning directly. You can also choose to remove the scanner from the ball frame. First, place the device on a stable surface, unscrew the screw on the left side, and disconnect the cable connecting it to the cage. Then, rotate the bottom locking switch clockwise and use both hands to lift the scanner out of the ball frame. Insert the battery and turn on the device. After a few seconds, the software will automatically reconnect, and the device status icon will switch to scanner mode. If you are using scanner mode directly for the first time, please take out the router, Ethernet cable, and power cord. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into your computer's network port and the other end into the router's LAN port. Connect the power cord to the router's power port and plug the other end into a power outlet. Insert the battery into the device, turn it on, and wait for the software to connect automatically. Please note that the scanner mode does not support scanning with the tracker or performing system calibration. Only scanner calibration is available. After confirming the scanner is connected, click New Project Group to enter the scanning interface. Select Scanner Mode and choose Scan Point Cloud. Set the scanning parameters based on the object size and resolution requirements. For this case, we select 1mm resolution and the object type was set to General Object. A smaller point distance gives richer model details but also results in a larger volume of data and higher demands on computer performance. Choose an appropriate alignment method based on the object surface. For objects with rich geometric features, select Feature Alignment. If surface features are limited, apply markers and use marker alignment or global marker scan mode for more stable results. Click the Scan button in the software or press the upper middle button on the scanner to begin data capture. Keep the scanner about 30 cm from the object. The laser colors in the software indicate the scanning distance. Green indicates optimal distance, blue means too far, red means too close. It is recommended to keep most of the laser lines green for the best scanning results. Move the scanner slowly and evenly across the object. When the current area turns blue, move to another area and continue until the entire object is captured. Click pause when the scanning is complete. After, turn the point cloud into a mesh. In the post-processing, you can continue editing, repairing, and optimizing the model. When processing is complete, save the model locally or export it as STL, OBJ, PLY, or another required format. That covers the complete operational workflow for the EinScan Trak scanner mode. By following these steps, you can quickly complete the scanning, processing, and exporting of your models.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.